In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Clearpay account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the main way in which you can contact the Clearpay customer support so you can fix whatever issue you are having with your Clearpay account. Now, as you can see, in order to contact them, you need to visit this website, help.clearpay.co.uk. I am visiting this website through my mobile device, but keep in mind that you can also use a computer. As long as you have access to a web browser and you go to help.clearpay.co.uk, you will be able to talk to their customer support agents and they will gladly assist you in fixing your Clearpay account. This is the only channel in which you have access to contact them because they do not provide users with a phone number or email. In here, you have two options. You can either tap I'm a customer, and this will automatically give you a bunch of articles that you can read through, and usually these can be used to solve issues related to your account. Like I said, these are pre-made articles and they include some answers, so keep that in mind. If you wish to browse through these before sending them a message, that is an option. For this video, I'm going to assume that these articles did not work out for you and you wish to talk directly to their agents. If that is the case and you want to get additional help, use the option at the bottom of the screen. Still need help? Our team will be happy to help. Get in touch. Like I said, this is the only way to talk to them directly. Now, there are a bunch of articles here as well, and fixing your Clearpay account might involve different ones. Because I can't show all of them in detail in this video, all that you have to do in this page is find whatever option is attributed to your issue. So for example, if you are having trouble with your ID verification, use this option. If you are having trouble with a return or a refund, use the first option, and so on. You need to browse through these and find your specific issue before messaging them. Like I said, I'm only going to use any of these as an example. I'm not going to go over all of them in detail. According to whatever you select, you will be able to find this form on all of them where you can include the email address, and this is very important. This is how they're going to be able to talk to you. So after you include all the details in this form, you describe your issue, they are going to contact you through this email address. So make sure that you include your valid active email address and you always keep track of any possible emails returned back to you. Confirm the privacy notice, and like I said, you can include your contact information, so stuff like your legal name, phone number, ID type, etc. And at the bottom is where you can fill out all the details about the specific issue that you are having related to your Clearpay account. By including as much detail as you can and attaching optional files or images, they will be able to get back to you and provide you with the most clear, up-to-date answer to help you fix your Clearpay account. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Clearpay account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.